Hey there, adventurers! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Mount Everest, the highest peak on Earth. Mount Everest, known as Sagarmatha in Nepal and Chomolungma in Tibet, has a rich history that dates back centuries. It was first identified as the world's highest peak in 1852 by the Great Trigonometrical Survey of India. The surveyors used rudimentary tools and techniques to measure the height, and it was officially confirmed in 1856. Imagine the excitement of discovering the tallest mountain in the world. Standing at a staggering 29,032 feet, Everest is part of the Himalayan range, which was formed around 60 million years ago due to the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. This collision caused the land to buckle and rise, creating the majestic mountains we see today. Everest continues to grow by about 4 millimeters each year due to these tectonic movements. The first recorded attempts to climb Everest began in the early 20th century. British mountaineers made several attempts in the 1920s, but it wasn't until 1953 that Sir Edmund Hillary from New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay, a Sherpa of Nepal, successfully reached the summit. Their achievement was a monumental moment in mountaineering history and inspired countless others to take on the challenge. Today, Everest attracts climbers from all over the world, each with their own unique stories and motivations. It's a symbol of human endurance, determination, and the spirit of adventure. But Everest isn't just about climbing. The region is home to diverse flora and fauna, including the elusive snow leopard and the hardy yak, which plays a crucial role in transporting supplies for expeditions. The Sherpa community, known for their incredible mountaineering skills, has a deep cultural and spiritual connection to Everest. They consider it a sacred mountain and call it Mother of the World. Before any climb, Sherpas perform a puja ceremony to seek blessings from the mountain gods, ensuring a safe journey for all climbers. Everest Base Camp, located at an altitude of 17,600 feet, is a bustling hub of activity during the climbing season. It's where climbers acclimatize and prepare for the grueling ascent ahead. One of the most dangerous sections of the climb is the Khumbu Icefall, a constantly shifting glacier with towering ice seracs and deep crevasses. It requires skill, courage, and a bit of luck to navigate safely. Reaching the summit of Everest is a life-changing experience. The view from the top is nothing short of spectacular, offering a 360-degree panorama of the Himalayas. Climbers often leave behind flags, photos, and other mementos as a testament to their achievement, and to honor those who have lost their lives on the mountain. However, the increasing number of climbers has also led to environmental concerns. Efforts are being made to clean up the mountain and preserve its pristine beauty for future generations. Conservation initiatives and eco-friendly climbing practices are being promoted to ensure that Everest remains a symbol of natural wonder and human achievement. Educational programs and documentaries continue to inspire and educate people about the significance of Everest, its history, and the challenges it presents. Learning about Everest isn't just for climbers. It's a fascinating subject for anyone interested in geography, history, and the incredible feats of human endurance. So whether you're an aspiring climber or just a curious mind, Mount Everest has something to offer everyone. Its stories, challenges, and beauty continue to captivate us all. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey through Everest's history, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating stories and adventure tips. Catch you in the next video, adventurers. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.